Hi everyone. This short video just looks at how global variables work in functions and procedures in Python. So to begin with, I've got two variables. The first one being assigned A, so A is assigned 10, and then B is assigned 15. And then we have a function which shouldn't take an argument. And inside the function, when we call the function, it reassigns A as 3. And then it does a calculation. So it says D equals A times B. So it should be B is 15, and the new A should now be 3. So it should result hopefully in 45, and it should return that calculation, that sum, to a program. So here, when we call this function, we should assign it to let's just call it total equals xyz, and then what we'll do is we'll print total out. So when we print total, okay, so when we print total, what it should do is it should be the result of A times B, which should be 45. The question is, what happens when we print A? So when we display A to the screen, what should the result be? Should the result be 10, or should the result be 3? So let's run the program and check. So the program is telling us that the result here from line 12 is that A is 10, as it is at the beginning, and that's because whatever functions that we assign inside a function, whatever variables we assign inside a function remains inside that function, and the rest of the program can't see it. The only thing that can be seen is what is returned to the rest of the program, in which case, where we've reassigned A to 3, that can't be seen. The only way that we can change that then is if we assign A as a global variable by doing this, by doing global A. Now what happens is every time we make a change to this particular variable A, the whole program can see it. So this time when we run the program again, on line 13 where it says A equals whatever it is, it shouldn't say 10, it should now say 3. So let's click on run. Yeah. So as you can see, the result of A is now 3 because it's been reassigned here in the function, and because it's a global variable, the rest of the program can now see it.